Okay, so I wanted to go over a little bit of page 519, number 23 through 28. Some of you ask, what does it mean to fill it in? Do not write in your book, please, especially if you have rented it from Keys, because if you've rented it, someone else is going to get it next year, and if you write in it, most of you have noticed they forget to erase. And I've also asked you to write this diagram down, and you'll lose 10 points if you don't do it. Okay, and I said fill it in. It says find the indicated measure in EFGH. Now I'm only going to do the odd ones. 23 says EJF, so you're supposed to find, this is J. Okay, you're supposed to find this angle, and you have to find HFG, that is this angle, and then for 27 you have to find EGF, excuse me, is that EGF? HGF, HGF, that's this angle here. Okay, and the reason I said fill it in is once you start filling stuff in, you can find answers if you write it all down. Just fill it all in and then look at the problems that you're being asked for, and then you can just fill in your answers after filling in the figure. Okay, so we look at J, angle EJF, and we say, well, that's a straight line, so we know that that has to be supplementary. So we just say 60 degrees plus what is going to give us 180. So we'll say that's going to be 120 degrees. And that's easy enough. Okay, then we have to find angle F. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to say if angle EJF is 120 and angle FGJG is 60 degrees, then I know this one is also 60 degrees because they're vertical angles, and I can find this angle here. Okay, so for this angle, we look at our transversal going across our parallel lines. Remember, it's a parallelogram, so these are parallel lines. And when you add these two together and subtract from 180, you're going to get a number that's going to go right here. And then you will know that since these are alternate interiors, it's equal to this one. Okay, once you know that one, you will know you can add 60 and this one together to find out what you have to subtract to get this one. And once you get this one, you'll be able to add it to 45 to get the whole angle. And then using all of your properties, you'll be able to answer all of these questions. I hope that's enough of a hint for you and it's not confusing. Just work your way around the figure. Remember to add straight lines together when you have a straight line. I was going to erase, but I can't erase on here because it'll actually erase the figure. Okay, remember you can use straight lines. You can use the fact that triangles, the degrees of measures of the angles of a triangle is 180. You can use vertical angles. You can use alternate interior angles. So you have lots of choices here.